Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dima as always. If you're new to this channel, kindly tap the red button on your interface and click on the bell icon to turn on all notifications for future videos. Guys, I recently trimmed off 2+ inches of my natural hair. Video link right there in the description box. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I deeply clarify or cleanse my scalp for fast hair growth, especially when I trim my hair, using 2 simple natural ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. Please note that someone is trying to impersonate me in the comment section of most of my videos, using same name and profile photo as me to reply most of my comments, asking some of you to purchase their products. Guys, please, you have to be careful. A lot of fraudsters are out there to defraud people of their hard-earned money. This guy or lady is trying to defraud most of you. Guys, please be careful. Welcome back, guys. So our first ingredient is going to be lemon. We are going to be using 2 sizable lemons for this recipe. Guys, you can use any type of lemon of your choice, provided they are lemons. I'm saying this because most of you would definitely ask me this in the comment section. This type of lemon is different from what you see around you, especially those of you in Nigeria. The regular ones are usually green in color. I got this from a popular store here in Nigeria by name ShopRite. Feel free to use what you can get around you, provided they are lemons. So for this video, I'm going to be making use of 2 sizable lemons like so. I'm going to be using 2 because of my hair volume. Using a sieve and a clear bowl, I'm going to be cutting the lemon into halves and then squeeze that into the bowl while the sieve collects the seeds and the lemon pulp. So here are a few background information. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade, or instead of quenching your thirst, you could use those lemons to strengthen and improve the health of your hair, stop hair loss, and even help your hair grow. Lemons contain lots of beneficial elements that promote hair health. By applying lemon juice directly to your hair and scalp, you can take advantage of nature's power in a way that can help you in your fight against thinning hair. Lemons contain tons of vitamin C, which boosts collagen production. Lemons contain many other nutrients that strengthen the hair follicles and encourage new hair growth. They are naturally acidic. Lemon juice can deeply cleanse the scalp and hair follicles, restore healthy pH levels, and remove buildup of products, oils, and pollutants. They have antifungal properties that can keep dandruff under control. They can grow hair from even dormant hair follicles. So the next ingredient that we're going to be using is honey. Honey is a great natural hair product that can be used by itself or incorporated into other natural hair treatments. It can promote cell growth, help to retain moisture and restore nutrients to the hair and scalp. It may even help alleviate inflammatory skin conditions when used with other therapies. Honey is known for its role as a natural moisturizer and also acts as a natural antibiotic. Here is my tip to you. If you have dry scalp, I advise you use honey on your scalp. Cover up to trap some heat and allow to sit overnight, then rinse off in the morning. So I transfer this into my applicator bottle and it's ready for application. So I'm going to be using this to scrub my scalp to remove excess buildup. This was a Sunday and I had to put my hair in a bun for church. As soon as I came back, I had to prepare this just to scrub my scalp and remove excess buildup, dirt, and basically everything clogging my pores. So I quickly section my hair into 4 sections. Guys, anything you're doing to your hair, ensure you section your hair. Work in sections. because natural hair is prone to breakage due to the bonds in between our kinky cords. So they are very weak and they can break off really easily if you don't work in sections. For the first section, I concentrated that mix on my scalp using my other hand to work that in and then give myself a massage, kind of scrubbing my scalp as if I'm using a shampoo. Guys, you have to be very careful because this treatment is messy and is gummy because of the honey in it. So you just have to be very careful, and please avoid contact with your eyes because this can really be very peppery if it gets to your eyes. Please note that honey is very sticky, so you just have to be careful and zero your mind that you're going to have a bath after this application and rinsing out. So you just have to have this at the back of your mind if you're using this treatment. Please note that this serves as a shampoo, just as bentonite clay would serve as a shampoo for you, clarifying agent. So you do not need to shampoo your hair after application. So after application and scrubbing your scalp, proceed to deep condition. Just before I forget, I just have to mention that after the application, you just have to cover up your hair and leave this to sit in your hair for 30 minutes before rinsing out. This is for this to gently clarify your scalp and then remove excess buildup, because these are natural ingredients and they take time to work. So you just have to cover up your hair to trap some heat and then rinse out with just water. I repeat, this serves as a shampoo, clarifying agent, because I know some of my friends will definitely come to the comment section to ask me this. So once you use this, no need to shampoo again, just proceed to rinse out and then deep condition. Be sure to get a squeaky clean scalp, well moisturized scalp, and dandruff free scalp after use. For most of you that complain of flaky scalp, dandruff, all those scalp issues, I recommend that you try this recipe. Just 2-3 ingredients from your kitchen would do the magic. The best part is that this treatment is inexpensive and is something that is readily available in your kitchen. So what's stopping you from trying this out? Why not give it a shot and then come back to this channel and give me your feedback? You would definitely love this, no jokes. If you notice that my hair is shorter, that's because I trimmed off 2+ inches of my hair strands. Link to this video is in the description box. Please check it out and show some love. Guys, we are going to be growing back the hair with natural ingredients. Grow with me, stick with this channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you still waiting for? This channel is all about us using natural ingredients, 100% natural ingredients, to grow the healthiest hair ever, what we can find around us. We are proud to use it to grow the healthiest hair ever. So guys, why are you not subscribed to this channel? You need to subscribe, share these videos to people that they can use natural ingredients to grow their hair with no side effects. That's the best part about natural ingredients. So you're free to explore natural ingredients. They are amazing. A living testimony. I've grown inches of hair with these products.